Welcome to this lesson on algebra. Today, we are going to explore the concept of solutions to linear equations, specifically focusing on why they have infinite ordered pairs. Let's start with the basics. A linear equation is an equation that usually involves two variables, typically x and y. When we graph this type of equation on a coordinate plane, it forms a straight line. You will often see it written in standard form, like 2x plus y equals 6. So, what exactly is a solution? In this context, a solution is an ordered pair, x comma y, that makes the equation true. It is a specific pair of numbers where if you input x, you get the correct y. Let's test an example. Consider the equation 2x plus y equals 6. We want to check if the point 1 comma 4 is a solution. We substitute 1 for x, and 4 for y. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Since 6 equals 6, this statement is true. Therefore, 1 comma 4 is a valid solution. But we don't just have to guess. We can find solutions by choosing any value for x and solving for y. Let's pick x equals 2. Substituting this into our equation gives us 4 plus y equals 6. Subtracting 4 from both sides tells us that y equals 2. So, the point 2 comma 2 is another solution. We can repeat this process as many times as we like. By choosing different values for x, like 0, 1, 2, 3, or -1, we can calculate the corresponding y values. This creates a table of ordered pairs, all of which are valid solutions to the equation. Now let's take these ordered pairs and plot them on a coordinate plane. Notice how the points 0, 6, 1, 4, 2, 2, and the others appear to fall in a specific pattern. When we connect these dots, they form a perfectly straight line. This line represents the entire set of solutions. Every single point that lies on this green line is a solution to the equation 2x plus y equals 6. This leads us to a crucial concept. Why are there infinite solutions? First, because the line is continuous. Between any 2 points, there are tiny fractions and decimals that also work. Second, the line extends forever in both directions. It never stops. Therefore, the number of solutions is limitless. To summarize, remember that a linear equation in 2 variables has infinitely many solutions. We represent these solutions visually as a line, where every point on that line corresponds to a valid ordered pair.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.